Hi everyone, thanks for coming by. Perfect Storm Trading, Saturday morning, the 23rd of October. In this video, I just want to go over the highlights of the week with the timing windows. These Vedic timing windows that we have are really powerful, and when you combine those with the Astro Excel or the Cosmo-9 pivots, you get these important pivot points intraday. You'll often get the high a day or low a day. I'm going to come through this last week, Monday through Friday, and go over these points. I haven't changed anything. These were the way these boxes and vertical lines were marked out on the videos all week long that I showed you, and nothing's changed. Nothing is fudged in hindsight. This was Monday. The first block we had on Monday didn't do much. The second block, we got the high a day on one of the turning point lines that was put in here. We got a double tap on the next one in the white window on the A1. Going forward, coming into the trading session on Tuesday, we got a new high at the beginning of the window. We made a new low inside the same window. Notice here we had that confluence videos within windows. I talked about this on that video that day. You can refer back to that if you don't recall what was mentioned on that. And then after the close in the evening, we made the high a day right at the end of the green window there, and then we double tapped at the end of the green window here. So we got a double tap high a day in the evening session. And then as we slide into Wednesday, we had the bright green black between about 10:10 and 11:28, and notice inside the white A window is right where we got the high a day, and then that triggered a short trade there. We didn't get the downside we were expecting from this day forward until we got a little bit of a move on Friday. On the late on the 20th, we got the high a day here, or the high at that point in time anyway, and then we broke out to a new high after the quiet part of the session. That traded down and gave us the low a day at the end of that window. On the 21st, looks like I missed marking that block. I dropped the rectangle in. Notice how we got the high right at the beginning of that square, and we got a significant low pivot right on the white A1 block, which, remember, these opposite colors of these two blocks are often good pivot points for trading. And then as we moved into late Thursday, early Friday, or the 22nd at midnight, we got the new high at the end of that window. And then we come into Friday's day session. We get a low at the start of the session, and then we make a new high a day right at the end of that session, and we finally get the kind of sell-off that we were looking for. This one went from 52 down to 15, so we finally got that good breakdown that we were looking for. And then we make low a day in here about 11:50, and then start trading back up into the afternoon window where we get a lower high. And then we were looking to get a new low here on one of these two pivot points, but the breakdown did not continue on. I thought we might come and make a new low, take out this low, either on this point in time or this point, but we didn't. But regardless of that, you can see how powerful these windows are for identifying trading opportunities. I think one of the strongest parts of the Storm tools are when you line up this Astro Excel and these Vedic timing windows. So that's it for the video today. We'll be back tomorrow on Sunday. We'll take a look at the week ahead with the Astro Excel and see if we can line some more of these windows up with that to give you some sort of prediction for next week.